Tatak Rizalian and Railers. First fight for the team of Rizalian. Apitan D, Apitan J, Bongares, Regalario and Targa. First fight for the team of Railroad, Duran Brothers, Pesariton, Logdat and Mamurali. Dito po. Tutuloy mo mabuti. All right, here we go. Just ball between Maurani and jersey number 18. Apitan. Here comes Pesariton to Sanduran. Doing easy contact, foul on jersey number 2, Apitan J. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots will be awarded to Mangurani. Yes for 1. To 0 in favor of Railroad. Look back to Duran. On the move. The big boy Morales pull up. Unable to make the basket. Bongares on the rebound. Here comes Apitan J. Back now to Bongares. Here drop shot. Duran to the big boy. He lays up. And he got fouled by jersey number 18. Pushing foul on Apitan. Apitan D. First personal foul. Second team fouls. Yes for 1. Mangurani. Last throw. 2 out of 2 for the big boy. 4-0 in favor of Railroad Raiders. Apitan J to Bongares. Shot clock. Intercepted by Pesariton. Lays up and backs it in. Official score 6-0. In favor of Railroad. Stolen by Apitan J. Loses the handle. Targa out. Regalario out. Balauro and Robles. Checking in.
She look at this too. She got the good. She like the Jackson bang. I'm attracted to her and her attractive bang. And I be married because we feel time. And I tell you,
Ball possession for the team of Railroad. 6 minutes and 6 seconds on the game clock. Cesare Contomorali, outside pass to jersey number 7. Jack rejected. Progress on the rebound. Balauro on the move. 16 to shoot. Outside pass to PJ. Shot clock winding down to 10. Pomara saves the ball. Pull up and able to make the basket. Jersey number 21. Yes, for 2. Robles. Official score 6-2. 4-point for the team of Railroad. Here comes Balauro. Nice pass to jersey number 18. Unable to make the basket. Basketball stays out attack with Zarian. Shot clock back to 14.
I love to speak to y'all.
There is a contact foul on jersey number 7. Holding foul on Lugnat. First personal foul, first team foul. Yes for 1. Robles. 6-3. Still in favor of Railroad. Again, this is game 2 of best of 3 series. Here comes Stefanito. Mamurani to show Bolares. Intercepted by Lugnat. Remaining time 4 minutes and 14 seconds. Duran to Morali. Pull up. Ball stays on Railroad. 9 seconds to shoot. Capital J. Nice pass to jersey number 8. And able to make the basket. Intercepted by Balauro. Stepping on the arc, and he got rejected. Morales penetrates off the glass for 2. Official score 6-5. Down to 1-point lead. Duran, launches. Air ball. Big pass to jersey number 25, Balauro, and he got fouled by jersey number 1. Durant, first personal foul, second team foul. Will be awarded to Balauro. One out of 2. Deadlock all 6. Here comes the big boy. Outside pass to Sakuran. Intercepted. Don't want to move. Pull up and push it in. Change favor. 8-6. 2-point lead for the team of Katakang Zion.
Walk it like it's wrong. Walk it like it's wrong. Walk it like it's wrong.
For the big boy, Mamurani. Deadlock again for 8. Shot clock on 12. Palauro launches. Didn't get the bounce. Robles. Nice pass to Palauro. Change favor. Take 8. Going to see whistle. Warning for technical. Charge to Morali for second motion. Sign off requested by Railroad Winners.
Natatagat marangal ang madilyong labayan. Halina't pasyalan, may gandang pagmasdan. Tunay pinagyayaman, di malilimutan. Para ka sa tiket, okay ka sa tiket. Kaway-kaway, parang saliw ng kawayan. Buhay
Right back to the bogey for the remaining 2 minutes and 3 seconds for the first quarter. Official score 10-8. 2-point lead for the team of Katakang Zion. Happening violation to over 1 minute and 54 seconds. Shot clock on 12. Rejected by Maurani. Now he's on the goal. Intercepted by Jose 49. Kick ball. And set to shoot. Down to 5. Pesarato launches. Able to get the bounce. Robles at the rebound. Ball station removed. Top left. Kapitan G out. Iglesias. Take lead. Ten seconds to shoot. Look back launches. Morali saves the ball. Outside pass to Durant. 9 seconds to shoot. Goes the contact. Foul goes to number 16. Holding foul on Iglesias. First personal foul, 13 fouls. 14.5 seconds on the game clock. Time to shoot. Kapitan Odugo. This is the handle. Pescarito. Eleven, 10. Railroad winners, 7 seconds on the game clock. And the first official score, 30-11. 0.8 for the team of Tatak Rizal.
Gandang pagmasdan, tunay pinagyayaman, di malilimutan. Para ka sa ticket, okay ka sa ticket. Kaway-kaway, parang saliw ng kawayan. Buhay na buhay, makulay, di malilimutan. Ang sayang gala, nakakaiba. Sa tagkawayan mo lang madarama. Kay ganda saya ng mga tanawin. Napakarami rin ang bayan na ihain na dito mo lang matutuklasan. Sa tagkawayan mo lang masisilayan. Matatagat marangal ang matilim na bayan. Handing at pasyalan, kay gandang pagmasdan. Tunay pinagyayaman, di malilimutan. Tara na sa ticket, okay ka sa ticket. Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway. Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway. Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway. Tara na sa ticket, okay ka sa ticket.
Katanadamahin, kumabay, sumayaw, sumaya sa sayawaya. Tinapay, tikman, siopaw, dalang hita, nektar, di malilimutan. Ang lasa parang
Back to the ball game for the second quarter. Buwan, outside pass to Balaguro. Buwan for two. Good luck again, 4-15. Four to shoot. Kabina was the four. 4 seconds for the shot clock. Jersey number 21 to the big one. Pull up. And puts it in. Change favor, 15-13. Railroad down to 3. Iglesias. Watford back to Apita D. Corobes, unable to make the basket. Foul number 10. Luzano. First for 4 foul, first team foul. After 13. Timeout, Rizal.
Kita, nectar, di malilimutan. Ang lasa para nasa alapaap. Tanawing dito lang mahahagilap. Dagkawayan, it is the best. Tara na dito sa TK, take some rest. Yung kasanggalan ng mga aitang minamahal. Selebrasyon ng kasaganahang kay tagal pinagdasal. Wala pa na ng kulay, salamat sa maganda buhay. Tara na makasabay, okay ka sa TK. Yeah, hey, tara na sa TK. Okay!
Matatag at marangal ang madilim na bayan. Ingat pasyalan, bigandang pagmasdan. Kultura'y pinagyayaman, di malilimutan. Tara na sa TK, okay ka sa TK. Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway. Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway. Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway. Tara na sa TK, okay ka sa TK.
Kaway, 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 kaway sa takawayan.
I agree. Trying to shoot. Foul jersey number 29. Bukares first personal foul. Pablis, bukan out. Alabas, Chinese. And to shoot. Mr. 3. South Duran, 22-13. Filipino Greenwood Raiders. And to shoot. Foul jersey number 21. Apitan Green. Jersey number 2. Top left. Morales out. Morales out. Gumrate Jersey. Take 8. To shoot. Foul on jersey number 8. Durant, first personal foul, first team foul. Just for 2, Akita. 23-15. Favor of Railroad Raiders. 1 minute and 48 seconds. Foul on jersey number 27. First foul on Alabas. First personal foul, second team foul. The forward to 7, 25-18. Cabinet violation, turnover, 1 minute and 20. Number 10, and the foul of Lizan. Tablet, Martinez out, Jesalma, checkmate. 43 seconds on the game clock. That's for 2. Alamak, 29-20. May 20-40 more drill, 20 seconds remaining. Ten seconds. 5. End of the first half. Official score 31-20.
Piling na bayan at di nagpasyalan May gandang pagmasdan, turay pinagyayaman Di malilimutan, para ka sa tiket Okay ka sa tiket Kaway-kaway, parang salo ng kawayan Buhay na buhay, makulay, di malilimutan Ang sayang gala, nakakaiba Sa tagkawayan mo lang madarama Kay ganda saya ng mga tanawin Napakarami rin ang kaya na ihain Na dito mo lang matutuklasan Sa tagkawayan mo lang masisilayan Nagkatagat marangal ang madilim na bayan Hindi nagpasyalan, kay gandang pagmasdan Tuturay pinagyayaman, di malilimutan Para na sa tiket, okay ka sa tiket Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway Para na sa tiket, okay ka sa tiket
Katanadamahin, kumabay, sumayaw, sumaya sa sayawaya Tinapay, tikman, siopaw, dalang hita, nektar, di malilimutan Ang lasa para nasa alapaap, tanawing dito lang mahahagilap Tagkawayan, it is the best Tara na dito sa TK, take some rest Yung kasanggalan ng mga aitang minamahal Selebrasyon ng kasaganahang kay tagal pinagdasal Wala na ng kulay, salamat sa maganda buhay Tara na makasabay, okay ka sa TK Yeah, hey, tara na sa TK Okay!
Matatag at marangal ang madilim na bayan At di nagpasyalan, kay gandang pagmasdan Kulturay pinagyayaman, di malilimutan Para na sa tiket, okay ka sa tiket Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway Para na sa tiket, okay ka sa tiket
Kaway-kaway, kaway-kaway sa takawayan Mahal na Berhe ng Lourdes, salamat sa kapayapaan Kaway-kaway, kaway-kaway sa takawayan Mahal na Berhe ng Lourdes, salamat sa kapayapaan
Matatag at marangal ang madilim na bayan Ay di nagpasyalan, may gandang pagmasdan Kulturay pinag Kay ganda siya ng mga tanawin. Napakarami rin ang kaya na ihain na dito mo lang matutuklasan. Sa pagkawayan mo lang masisilayan. Matatagat marangal ang madilim na bayan. Hanggang at pasyalan, ganyan ang pagmustan. Kultura'y pinagayaman, di malilimutan. Tara na sa tike, okay ka sa tike. Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway. Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway. Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway. Tara na sa tike, okay ka sa tike.
Katanadamahin, kumabay, sumayaw, sumaya sa sayawaya. Tinapay, tikman, siopaw, dalang hita, nektar, di malilimutan. Ang lasa para na sa alapaap, tanawing dito na mahahagilap. Ang kawayan, it is the best. Tara na dito sa TK, take some rest. Yung kasanggalan ng mga aitang minamahal. Selebrasyon ng kasaganahang kay tagal pinagdasal. Wala mo na ng kulay, salamat sa maganda buhay. Tara na makasabay, okay ka sa TK. Yeah, hey, tara na sa TK. Okay!
Matatag at marangal ang madilim na bayan. Ingat pasyalan, bibig ng pagmustan. Kultura'y pinagayaman, di malilimutan. Tara na sa tike, okay ka sa tike. Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway. Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway. Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway. Tara na sa tike, okay ka sa tike.
Kaway, kaway, kaway sa takawayan. Mahal na Berhen ng Lourdes, salamat sa kapayapaan. Kaway, 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 kaway sa takawayan. Mahal na Berhen ng Lourdes, salamat sa kapayapaan.
Matatag at marangal ang madilim na bayan. Halina't pasyalan, kay gandang pagmustan. Kultura'y pinagayaman, di malilimutan. Tara na sa tike, okay ka sa tike. Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway. Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway. Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway. Tara na sa tike, okay ka sa tike. Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway. Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway. Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway. Tara na sa tike, okay ka sa tike. Tara na sa tike, kumaway-kaway. Okay ka dito sa tike, masaya you can deny. Tara na sa tike.
Okay. For the third quarter. Official score 31-20.
Kaya tanda namin, sabi ko, kapag
Three seconds violation turnover. Hapitan J. Subuares. Back na to, Hapitan. 14 seconds on shot clock. Down to 10. Nice pass there. To jersey number 23. Progress. Official score 31-22. Again, this is game 2 of best of 3 series. Muares launches. Unable to make the basket. Balauro. Nice pass to number 18. 8 seconds to shoot. Intercepted by San Duran. Penetration, he gets fouled. Basket counted. And a foul on jersey number 29. Bongares, second personal foul. First team foul. Bonus shot to be awarded to San Duran. Progress on the rebound. Here comes Balauro. 6:52 seconds on the game clock. 15 to shoot. There is a contact foul spotted on jersey number 17. Holding foul on Doctorero. First personal foul, first team foul. And seconds to shoot. Peter J. pull up and push it in. 33-24. 9-point lead for the team of Railroad. Outside pass to that. Pull up jumper, yes sir. 35-24. 11-point lead for the team of Railroad. Basket counted. And a foul on jersey number 27. Pushing foul on Alamag. Second personal foul, second team fouls. Bonus shot will be awarded to Apitan D. 6-14. Basket connects. 25-27. San Duran to Alamag. Penetrates. Pull up. In and out. Alright, so Apitan D. Moves up and moves in. 35-29. Down to 6 points. Yes for 2, San Duran. 37-29. Willows still taking the lead. 13 seconds to shoot. Down to 5. Yes for 2. 37-31. Back to 6 points. Here comes San Duran. To Alamag. Shot clock winding down to 10. And that got fouled by jersey number 2. Apitan. Third personal foul, second team fouls. Yes for 1. Warning, jersey number 23, 4-second motion. Number 1, last throw for Nagdat. 30-31. Sa ref, Doctorero out. Duran checking in. Official score, 39-31. 8-point lead for the team of Railroad. 5 minutes remaining on the game clock. The big boy on the move. All the way to the basket and he got fouled. Committed by jersey number 25. Pushing foul on Dulce. Apalahuro. First person foul, 13 fouls. Just for one, 40, 31. Intercepted by Alamag. Intercepted here comes Palahuro. Desagin. Intercepted by the big boy, Alamag. Tuburan, Masisihano. Ball stays on Rainbow. 14 on the shot clock. Sabi ni violation, turnover. Four minutes and 25 seconds on the game clock. Thirteen to shoot. Alamang. Ito si number 27. Ref timeout. Requested by Tatak Rizalian.
Ito mo lang matutuklasan, sa pagkawayan mo lang masisilayan. Matatagat marangal ang matilim na bayan, ingat pasyalan, titig ng pagmasdan, tunay pinagayaman, di malilimutan. Para na sa titig, okay ka sa titig. Kuway-kuway, 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 kuway-kuway. Para na sa titig, okay ka sa titig.
Katanadamahin, kumabay, sumayaw, sumaya sa sayawaya. Tinapay, tikman, siopaw, dalang hita, nektar, di malilimutan. Ang lasa para na sa alapaap, tanawing dito lang mahahagilap. Ang kawayan, it is the best. Tara na dito sa TK, take some rest. Yung kasanggala ng mga aitang minamahal. Selebrasyon ng kasaganahang kay tagal pinagdasal.
Back to the bogey for the remaining 4 minutes and 7 seconds. Official score 42-21 in favor of Railroad Raiders. Balahuro, pull up. Ano yung bumalik ng basket? Nangarali ang rebound pa sa Samburan. Stepping on the gas, he's up. Too strong. Mawares on the move. All boy to the bucket. Not this time. Here comes Maurali. Zigzagging. And he got fouled by jersey number 18. Blocking foul on Natitan D. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Jersey contact. Foul on jersey number 18. Third personal foul. Red penalty. Substitution. Apitan out. Lizano. Checking in. Two shots will be awarded to Duran. Yes for one. 43-31. 2 out of 2. 44-31. 3 minutes and 31 seconds remaining. This is round block of shooting. It's spotted on jersey number 27. Alamag, third personal foul, 13 fouls. Zero out. 2 for Balauro. 3 minutes and 21 seconds. Intercepted by Balauro. On the move. Spins. Passages number 10. Yes, sir. Lizano for 4. 44. 33. Duran for 4. 46. 23.
Galing basket ko na.
Balauro. Page. Participation by Duran. Resolution. Foul on jersey number 25. Sadres. Wordless out. Balauro out. Iglesias out. Maurali out. Martinez. Tagal, Astrilla, and Sevilla. Checking in. There's a contact foul on jersey number 1, Duran. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 43 seconds on the game clock for the third quarter. Bongares on the move. Penetrates, celebrates, and he got fouled by jersey number 1. Third personal foul, ref, penalty. No shots for Bongares. Yes for 1. 46-34. One out of 2. Bongares again. Lays up, penetrates, unable to make the basket. Foul on jersey number 10. Third personal foul. Ref penalty. Watch out for our second and final game for tonight. Yes for 1. Game 2 of Aldavians and Tatak Rizalian. Number 1, official score 40-34. Shot clock on 10. Ball possession for the team of Bongo. Turnover. Sabres. Bongares out. Apitan D checking in. Nagdat na mas score. 16 on the shot clock. Under 2 minutes remaining for the third quarter. 10 seconds to shoot. Kick ball, turnover, 1 and 51 seconds remaining. Second to shoot, intercepted. And napitan siya sa ball, penetrates. Napitan again, and he got fouled by jersey number 7. Pushing foul all of that. Second personal foul. Penalty. Yes for one. Pintan B. 48-35. Last throw. 1 out of 2. Duran on the move, sidestepping. Unable to make the basket. Ball possession for the team of Greenwood. Sabref. Duran out. Barbie checking in. 1 minute and 12 seconds. Intercepted by Barbie. Lays up. And going to see contact. Foul will be charged to jersey number 15, Lastrilla, first personal foul. Sabref, Lastrilla out, Apital J. Checking in. Yes for one, jersey number 21. One out of 2 for Seria. 53 seconds on the game clock. Intercepted by Alamag, moves up and is in. Attack Rizalian basketball, 40.4 seconds on the game clock. Bonusing foul, started on jersey number 21. Syria. First personal foul, penalty, 32.4 seconds. Yes for one. Out of 2, 51, 37, 29 seconds remaining. Barbino on the move. Dito sa Peter J. Attacking Italian basketball, 6 seconds on the game clock. 6 seconds to shoot. 11.2 on the game clock. Six seconds to shoot. Foul on jersey number 7, Barbie. First personal foul, penalty, 10 seconds remaining. One out of 2 for Apita J. 51-38. Five seconds. Yes for 3. End of the third. Official score. 54-38. Still in favor of Railroad Bears.
Yaman, di malilimutan. Tara na sa ticket, okay ka sa ticket. Buhay-buhay, buhay-buhay, buhay
to the ball game for the fourth and final quarter. 54-38 in favor of Greenville Raiders. Magtatabunan. Matulog na. Kapitan G on the move. To Balauro. Spinning. Pass to Robles. Unable to make the basket. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Balauro launches. Big boy on the move and he got fouled by jersey number 25, Balauro. Third personal foul, first team foul. Intercepted by Robles. Juarez. Rejected by Cesariton. Big boy now to Santuran. Intercepted by Apitan J. Juarez launches. Yes, sir. 92. 54-40. 14-point lead. 14 Railroad. Balauro again. Elevates. Saraton 6 to go. 13 to shoot. Kapitan James elevates, yes sir. 54-42. Manrani. 56-42. Air ball. Dagdag. Santo Maurani. By service. Foul on jersey number 2. Kapitan G. Warning. Seconds on the shot clock. Down to 7. 3. Second shot clock violation for number 5 minutes and 13 seconds. Balauro. Juarez, 14 to shoot. Basic contact foul on the number 19, Cesariton. First personal foul, first team foul. Both teams for the attack is Valiant, 13 to shoot. Duran to the big boy. Basket back, Pesano. Single. Sadref. Bongares out. Apitan G. Checking in. 14 on the shot clock. Sabref. Pesari down out. Duran. Checking in. Again, watch out for main event for tonight. Game 2 of Aldavians versus Tatak Rizalian. Up next. Intercepted by Apitan J. Outside pass to Baloro. Launches. Campus court. Basic contact foul on visa number 7. Logbat, third personal foul. Second, team fouls. Shot clock on 10. 5. Basket counted in a foul on jersey number 12, Maurali. First personal foul on Maurali, 13 fouls. Bonus shot will be awarded to Robles. Main violation. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 6 seconds on the game clock. This is the fourth and final quarter. Sam Duran, pass to Duran. Yes, for 2 for the big boy. 58-44. Robles got fouled by jersey number 12, Maurali, second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Just for 1. Robles, 58-45. Logbat now wants the ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Down to 10. Back now to the big boy. Shot clock on 5. Intercepted by Apitan J. Pull up. Yes for 2. 58-47. 11-point lead for the team of Rainbow. Shot clock winding down the 10. Ball possession for the Tatak Rizalian. 2 minutes and 56 seconds on the game clock. Foul on jersey number 1, Duran. Ref timeout requested by Rainbow.
Matatag at marangal ang madilim na bayan. Halina't pasyalan, may gandang pagmasdan. Kultura'y pinagyayaman, di malilimutan. Para na sa tiket, okay ka sa tiket. Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway. Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway. Kuway-kuway, kuway-kuway.
Back to the ball game for the remaining 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Official score 58-47 in favor of Railroad Raiders. The shots will be given to Robles. Zero out of 2. Look back now to Son. Maurani with the putback. 60, 40, 47. Baloro from way downtown comes up short. Look back to Duran, fix, pull up, in and out. Baloro pumps. And there is a contact foul on Justin number 8, Sam Duran. Second personal foul. Penalty. Remaining time 1:56 for the final quarter. Nothing but net. 60-48. Basket connect for Balauro. 60-50. 10-point lead. 1:47. 14 to shoot. Here comes the big boy again. Scoop shots. And there is a foul on jersey number 18. Pushing foul on Titan B. Warning. Fouls for Tapaco Rizalian. 1:37 remaining. Yes, for one. For the big boy. Maurani, 61-50. For out of 2. Appington J from way downtown. Didn't get the bounce. Ball possession for the team of Railroad Raiders. Last 1 minute and 23 seconds. Foul on jersey number 25, Balauro. Warning. Warning for penalty. Last 1:22. Again, this is game 2 of best of 3 series. Nine seconds to shoot. Look that, pull up number. Yes, sir. 64. 50, under a minute remaining. Starting the other shooting, spotted on jersey number 12, Maurani. Third person foul, penalty. 51.4 seconds on the game clock. Basket selects. 64-51. Substitution ref. Balao out. Martinez out. Kapitan out. Desalva, Balauro, and Nasrilla. Cherin. 46 seconds remaining. 19 to shoot. Follow jersey number 18. Kapitan D fouled out. Yes for one, look that. Sabrif. Duran out. Hernandez, checking in. Seconds on shot clock. Duran to Sevilla. Look that now, let's go. 4 to shoot. Shot clock violation turnover. Last 24.9 seconds. All right. Congratulations. Railroads Magingay. Railroads Baylors. Open under 19 category champion.
Ang madilim na bayan, ating nagpasyalan, may gandang pagmasdan, tunay pinagyayaman, di malilimutan. Para ka sa ticket, okay ka sa ticket. Kaway-kaway, parang salo ng kawayan. Buhay na buhay, makulay, di malilimutan. Ang sayang gala, nakakaiba, sa tagkawayan mo lang madarama. Kay ganda saya ng mga tanawin, napakarami rin ang kaya na ihain, na dito mo lang matutuklasan, sa tagkawayan mo lang masisilayan. Nagtatapit marangal ang madilim na bayan, ating nagpasyalan, may gandang pagmasdan, tunay pinagyayaman, di malilimutan. Para na sa ticket, okay ka sa ticket. Kuway-kuway, 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 kuway-kuway. Para na sa ticket, okay ka sa ticket.
Katanadamahin, kumabay, sumayaw, sumaya sa sayawaya. Tinapay, tikman, siopaw, dalang hita, nektar, di malilimutan. Ang lasa para na sa alapaap, tanawing dito lang mahahagila.